Well, us civilians back here on Earth are seeing plenty of sunshine out across the area on a rotary tower cam overlooking Lake Decatur. A beautiful day in store for us, and in fact, a beautiful next couple days will be in store for us. And the biggest thing that we have to keep a lookout are the temperatures. 78 degrees right now in Decatur, 80 in Lincoln, as well as down in Effingham, 78 in Bloomington. Very mild afternoon right now. In fact, our average for this time of year over the course of the past 30 years, so we call it 30-year average, is 78 degrees. We're already at that. In fact, passing it just a little bit. It's not going to get too bad today. Biggest help for these temperatures rising are the winds out of the south to southeast. On top of that is that sunshine. Right now, the wind's only about 5 to 10 miles per hour, peaking at about 15 today. But you're going to notice that radar keeping us dry. Again, that sunshine, another factor, and why we're seeing the temperature slowly start to increase, but eventually has to make that jump into the mid to upper 80s, and it will come this weekend. However, on the western front, you're going to notice a cold front trying to push through. It's going to take a while to get here, but you're also going to notice the showers up there in Montana eventually will move our way. In fact, that's the next weather maker that we have. It's going to, again, take a couple days to get here, but some areas do need the rain. We're talking Logan, even into McLean County, Iroquois, and then, of course, Clark down into Effingham. That's, of course, where the abnormally dry conditions are. It's been creeping into the viewing area over the past several weeks. Now, if we stay at the abnormally dry conditions, I don't think the farmers are going to complain a whole lot because they're trying to get out in the fields. But at the same time, if it continues to move through, we're eventually going to need that rain. And the worst season for the rain is actually winter. Sounds kind of counterproductive, but it takes about 10 times the amount of snowfall to equal just 1 inch of rain. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, if you're headed out to the East Coast, maybe a chance of rain coming from our next tropical system, possibly 70% chance over the next 2 days something will form out on the East Coast. About next 5 days, an equal chance of 70%. So we know something's going to pop up here. But take a look at the track that we currently have with it, just staying off the coast here. So maybe a shower pops off from it, moves through the Virginias, or maybe it's just some winds. But either way, the tropics continue to be more and more active, and as we see on Futurecast by Nelson Associates, not much going on here. Winds out of the southeast today about 10 miles per hour, trying to usher in that warmer air, but it's just temporary. Some clouds try to move through, maybe a pop-off shower, sprinkle, nothing significant by any means. That's if it even reaches the ground. Chances are very minimal that it will. Keep in mind, this is a drier air in place. At the same time, we have those abnormally dry conditions. It's going to take a little bit more rainfall to actually reach the ground here in central Illinois. This, of course, as we head into your Friday morning. And it's going to try to be like that throughout Friday. Maybe a quick sprinkle wants to pop up. But again, it's the dry conditions that's really kind of impeding those chances. Even as we head into your Saturday, we'll continue to postpone those and try to break everything down. And of course, it's just more sunshine for your Saturday. Now, it's whenever we start to head into next work week, things starting to change. But today, very mild. We're talking 81 degrees if you're up in Watseka, Gibson City. Of course, as we start to move down in Lincoln, even Decatur, 82 for your high, closer to 83, a little warmer down along the I-70 corridor. And of course, out west, we're talking 83 as well. Not an awful day across the area. Farmers are going to enjoy it, be able to get outside. In fact, harvest right around the corner. A lot of farmers out there. It all depends on that crop moisture, and it's looking pretty good right now. Tonight, 61 degrees, clear and mild. Winds will be out of the east to southeast at about 5 miles per hour. Same area 7-day forecast. We'll have that sunshine in full force even into this weekend. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 80s. Southern communities pushing closer to 90. But with that cold front, next weather maker comes in Monday night into Tuesday, and fall just 7 days away, and temperatures are looking pretty good to begin the first official day right after the autumnal equinox, which is at 2:20 come next Wednesday.